Hello everyone! I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Welcome back to the channel. It's always a pleasure to have you here. If you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on our weekly quick and easy recipes. We have a lot of exciting content lined up just for you. Today, I've got a 3-minute salsa recipe that you absolutely cannot miss. It's a game changer for your snack time or any gathering. It's so simple, fresh, and perfect for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a party or just want a quick snack, this salsa has got you covered. Let's dive right into it. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how easy and delicious this is. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 4 ripe tomatoes, 1 small onion. Make sure your tomatoes are nice and ripe for the best flavor. 2 cloves of garlic, 1 jalapeño. The garlic adds a wonderful depth of flavor, and the jalapeno gives it that perfect kick. A handful of fresh cilantro. Fresh cilantro is key here. It adds a burst of freshness that dried herbs just can't match. Juice of 1 lime. The lime juice not only adds acidity, but also brightens up all the other flavors. Salt and pepper to taste. These will help to enhance all the natural flavors of the ingredients. Alright, now that we have everything, let's get started. This is where the fun begins. Step 1. Chop up your tomatoes. You can make them as chunky or as fine as you like, depending on your preference. You can make them as chunky or as fine as you like. If you prefer a smoother salsa, chop them finely. Pop them into a large bowl. This will be the base of our salsa. Next, dice your onion finely and add that to the bowl. The onion adds a nice crunch and a bit of sharpness. Crush or mince your garlic cloves and toss them in too. Garlic is essential for that rich, savory flavor. Now for a bit of heat, finely chop up your jalapeno. Adjust the amount based on your heat tolerance. If you like it extra spicy, keep the seeds in. The seeds are where most of the heat is. Otherwise, remove them for a milder salsa. This way, you can control the spiciness to your liking. Chop up a handful of fresh cilantro and add that into the mix. Cilantro adds such a lovely fresh flavor that really elevates the salsa. It adds such a lovely fresh flavor. Don't skip this step. It's what makes the salsa truly special. Squeeze the juice of 1 lime over everything. This really brightens up the flavors and adds a zesty kick. Lime juice is the secret ingredient that ties everything together. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. Taste as you go to make sure it's just right. Give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Make sure all the ingredients are evenly distributed. And there you have it. Your fresh homemade salsa is ready to enjoy. It's vibrant, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. Serve it up with your favorite tortilla chips, or use it as a topping for tacos, burritos, or grilled meats. The possibilities are endless. You can even get creative and use it in salads or as a dip for veggies. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share this video with your friends. Your support means the world to us and helps us create more content for you. And remember, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more delicious and easy recipes like this one. We have so many more tasty dishes coming your way. Until next time, happy cooking! Enjoy your salsa and have a wonderful day.